Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to learn how to claim your YouTube earnings. So the reason why I'm doing this tutorial, somebody told me, somebody asked me, how can I claim my YouTube earnings? So I told them, okay, I'm gonna do a video for you and then explain a couple of things you have to know about it. So first of all, your YouTube earning cannot be claimed. What I'm saying is once the money is in, once you make the money, which for instance Google pays, YouTube sends money to your AdSense account. The AdSense account also is a free account. You open it in Google. It could be like your wallet, like you know, guys who deal with Bitcoin and stuff, you know what I'm talking about. So you open this account. It's a free account anyway. It's an AdSense account. So each money you make, it comes here, but YouTube only sends it here after the 10th of each month. So every month, like the money, I would say in this month, all the money we're gonna make, it's gonna reflect here next month on the 10th of that calendar. So now what happens is, if you made less than one I'm sorry, for instance, let me say if you made maybe $20 and it's gonna come here, or $5, it come here on the 10th of next month. So when it comes there, you cannot take out that money. Why? Because YouTube say that you can only get that money if it's at least $100. But in some countries they can pay you $70-$60 can go to your account because of the economy and all those things which I don't understand. But anyway, you have to know that $5 you can't get it, $6 you can't get it, $10 you can get it, $20 you can't get it. But YouTube is gonna push it here. It's gonna remain there. So next month, if you make maybe another $10, then it come there. And next month you make another $10. They add it to there until when your dollars are what, hundreds. So you can change it to your country's money. Then it will show, also reflect and show you it converts into your money. So it knows, the system knows how to show you to change dollars to your money. So now what's gonna happen here, once you have that money there, so this AdSense account, your account must be connected to your bank account. So those steps are very easy. Once you open a AdSense account, you connect it to your bank account. Sorry about that. So what happens is, like, Google then, once the money is at least $100 on the 21st of each month, okay, the money you made in this month, or the balance you had, okay, for instance, you had $100 this month. Okay, let me make it like this. You had $70 this month. No, last month you made $70, so it's here. So this month you make let me say $40, so which is gonna be 110. So that 110 we made in this current month. So what will happen, 110, it will come to your account on next month on the 21st. Remember when we said about YouTube money, this YouTube earnings which was made this month, what's gonna happen to that money? It's gonna reflect in your AdSense account on the 10th of that month. So AdSense to pay you, it pays on the 21st of each month. So that money, once you connect it once you connect your YouTube account with your bank account, that money is gonna do what? Is gonna come automatically to your bank account. So that simply means on the 21st of that month, the money, they're gonna push it into your account, but it won't come the same day. It might come on the 22nd, 23rd, 24th. It depends on the country and which bank they are sending money to, and also maybe the country might affect the delays, but in most cases you can get it after 2 days, which means 21st, 22nd, 23rd. You can get it 23rd, 24th, maybe 25th. You already have your money in your account. So that's the way it works. But I'm gonna go back to that question whereby the person asked me that how can I claim my money. So you don't claim that money. What happens is, like, once you have that money, for instance, let me show you. Revenue, you go to your revenue here, you can see the month of October, which month, how much you made, in this month, how much you made in this month, how much you made in this month. Okay, whatever money you make in this month, you for October now, which is made here, that money is gonna move. It will remain here as a record, but on the 10th of November the money is gonna be pushed here. You get me? To balance. Don't worry about this other money is not for money. This money comes from other stuff, like maybe websites or whatever, or apps and stuff. So this one is coming from the websites. So the balance is gonna be here. So the balance, it simply means the money we're going to make, the money which is made in October, is gonna reflect here on in November 10. So once it reflects here, whatever money it finds here, it's gonna add itself on that money. So in the same month, which is gonna be November, on the 21st, that money, they're gonna push it into your bank account, unless you did set that and say, oh, I have a target of $10,000. Google, please don't send my money until when it's 10,000. But okay, also I'm gonna repeat that 10,000 won't be sent to you. No, that 10,000, if you don't make it in a year, which means Google will say they don't keep somebody's money for a full year. So they're gonna count from maybe today, this time is October. So next year, October, this date, on this date, they will send your money, even if it's a 1,500 or 2,000 rand or 2,000 US dollars or 8,000, as long as you didn't, as long as it's a year has passed. So Google can't keep that money for more than a year. That's the thing I know. So but now, if that money did not even reach 100 US dollars, it simply means they won't give you that money. But if it's over, that simply means it's over, but you didn't make your target. If you didn't make your target and it's over, so what they're gonna do, they're gonna send you that money. No, if it's over the period and you did not make over 100 US dollars, they won't send you that money. But if it's over 100 US dollars and it's over the time, like maybe it's a year, it's next year October, let me say, so what they're gonna do, they're gonna push in that money even if you did not reach your target. Do you get me? So their policy is they cannot keep your money which is over 100 US dollars for more than a year. So but if your channel makes good money, so, and you say, Google, I want this money, maybe I'm looking for 100 US dollars, 100,000 US dollars, so don't send me the money each time. Each month end, when they put your money here, they don't send it to your bank account until when you reach your target. Once you reach your target, the money is gonna come to your account automatically. You understand? So that's the thing. So that's the only way. But you cannot send it, give it to me on this month or after 2 years. No, you can only set what the amount and say, oh, I'm looking for 5,000 US dollars to start getting my money. So guys, the new guys who are just new on Facebook, please, on YouTube, please don't forget to do what, to create your AdSense account, or to connect your AdSense account to Google, to your YouTube. So once you do that, the money is gonna come straight to your AdSense account. And also don't forget to connect your AdSense account to your bank account, local bank account. So that bank account, that's where money is gonna come in every month. You understand? So those are two things to do. Add your AdSense account to your Google account, and also add add your YouTube account to your YouTube channel to your AdSense account. So once you monetized, anyway, you cannot do it when you're not monetized. You must be monetized. But also, if you have a website already and you have a AdSense account, you don't need to create a new AdSense account. You have to use the same AdSense account. That's why they're gonna send actually you don't have to do much, because the Google can sense that this guy has an AdSense account under this Gmail. So what they do, they're gonna send you that money straight to your AdSense account. Then that money is gonna come from there, then it goes into your bank account. So those are the only things you need. You don't need much to do. So what you need to do, you don't need to claim this money, only need to have all those things in place. You get me? So, and those things are free. You don't have to pay anything. All Google stuff are free. You just go in there, then you get it, then you are going to start earning your money into your bank account. Guys, I hope this helps. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask us, and leave a comment please in the comment box below. Don't forget also to click that notification button. Whenever we get a new video, you're gonna get notified. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.